Let's look at this SMD resistor, which has a marking of 11X. The marking looks a little confusing. There's a table to refer to called the EIA 96 marking rule table. Let's have a look. 11X can be broken down to 11 and X. From our table, we can see that code 11 corresponds to 127. X is the multiplier, which in this case is 10 to the power of minus 1, which equals 0.1. So now we have 127 multiplied by 0.1, which is, of course, 12.7. So the value of our resistor is 12.7 ohms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electronics videos.